Welcome to our video, Top 8 Essential Tools and Gadgets for Every DIY Enthusiast. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Electric Garden Sprayer. This 5-liter electric sprayer is a versatile and efficient solution for gardening, disinfection, and pest control. With wide-area atomized spraying, it provides uniform, high-pressure coverage at the push of a button. You can switch between atomization and direct spray modes using its rotary copper nozzle, making it ideal for various applications. Powered by a 2200 mAh lithium battery, it ensures up to 4 hours of continuous operation. Its compact design and snap-fitted extension rod make it easy to handle, store, and carry wherever needed. Number 7. Inspection Camera. This 1080p inspection camera features a 4.3-inch IPS screen that provides clear, high-definition visuals with a true color display and a wide 180-degree viewing angle. Equipped with 6 adjustable LED lights, it delivers excellent illumination in low-light conditions, making it perfect for car repairs, pipe inspections, or even exploring underground spaces. The flexible 5mm hose allows access to hard-to-reach areas, and its rechargeable 2600 mAh battery ensures up to 4 hours of uninterrupted use. Durable and easy to operate, this endoscope is an essential tool for any detailed inspection task. Number 6. Car Vacuum Cleaner. This wireless car vacuum cleaner offers powerful 98,000 PA suction to tackle dirt and debris with ease. It features an upgraded brushless motor, a low-noise operation of 52 dB, and a compact design that's easy to maneuver. With a dual 2000 mAh battery and Type-C charging, you can enjoy extended cleaning sessions. Number 5. Commercial Vacuum Cleaner. The VacMaster Household Vacuum Cleaner is a powerhouse for both dry and wet cleaning. With an impressive 19 kPa suction power and a 20-liter stainless steel tank, it can handle even the toughest messes. The 10-meter power cord and 2.5-meter suction hose provide excellent reach, making it ideal for carpets, sofas, and even hotel cleaning tasks. Its multifunctional design ensures versatility, whether you're tackling spills or deep cleaning surfaces. Number 4. Manual Tool Set. The Hoto Manual Toolbox is a portable and comprehensive kit perfect for home repairs and installations. It includes a high-quality screwdriver, spanner, hammer, tape measure, and pliers. The tools are ergonomically designed for comfortable use and neatly organized in a compact case for easy storage. This toolbox is an excellent choice for quick fixes, DIY projects, or any household repair tasks. Number 3. Chainsaw Sharpener. This woodworking chainsaw sharpener is a game-changer for anyone using a chainsaw regularly. It functions like a pencil sharpener, allowing you to set the clamp, position the pawl, and sharpen each tooth with precision. The pawl ensures accurate and repeatable tooth positioning, while the standard 30-degree sharpening angle is compatible with most chainsaws. Easy to use and highly effective, this tool saves time and effort, making your chainsaw as sharp as new. Number 2. Oscillating Multifunction Tool. The brushless oscillating tool is a multifunctional powerhouse that works seamlessly with electric screwdrivers, drills, wrenches, and more. Designed for sanding, cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks, this tool offers exceptional versatility for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its brushless motor ensures efficient performance and longevity, while its ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use. Number 1. Electric Knife Sharpener. The Tidea Electric Diamond Knife Sharpener is an essential tool for every kitchen. With a multi-grit polishing system featuring 360, 600, and 1000 grits, it delivers professional-grade sharpening results. Designed for ease of use, it simplifies knife maintenance, making it ideal for home use. Backed by a reputation for quality and compatibility with global power standards, this sharpener ensures your knives remain sharp and effective. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.